sun.
So, guys, the lawn care rookie's going to become the skid steer rookie in about 3 minutes. Right? You gonna nail him with a snowball? Do it. Do it. Nail him. Nail him. Nail him. Give him something. Think he'll tip it back on himself? It's looking promising. It's looking promising.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's put him in. Which one do you want to run? The black one?
Whichever one you think would be the easiest for me to... Are they both the same controls and everything?
No, the black one's got grippier tires.
Right, yeah. So whatever you think's the easiest.
185. Let's go. Let's do it.
How far is it? How far is it from the airport now? 15 minutes? It's like right over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, I mean, you can learn how to run a skid loader in 15
minutes?
Right? I mean, what are you thinking? How much time do you need? Yep, door's on the other side. Hop up. Lawn care rookie's going to become the skid steer rookie.
What's that guy's name? With the guy that does the wheelies? We're going to become the...
Jake Black Sheep Skid?
Yeah.
All right, pop your window open. Just pull. Pull like you got a paradailer.
I don't want to break anything.
Oh, yeah. Safety bar down. You got a control panel over there.
Right here.
Hit the run enter button. Let me see what is there. Okay, it's unlocked. You hit the start button. Now your machine is running. Don't run over me. You got these buttons right here. Right here, hit that button. Okay, now your machine, the parking brake is off. So now you got 2 foot pedals. One will raise and lower the boom, the other will tip and curl the bucket. You want to raise your bucket up just about an inch or 2 off the ground.
This one, which one is which?
One is one.
What?
One is one of them. Flip one. Hit one. Curl it back. Yep, heel it up. There you go. Now you're getting it. Little more. Now raise your boom up. Raise your boom up about 3 inches. There you go. Now you got clearance. Now you got your throttle is on the other side, big red lever.
Yeah.
Yep. Go halfway. Little more. Now you're ready to black sheep skid it. Let's see a wheelie. You got 2 handles there, don't ya? Alrighty. Whoa! Ain't nothing there. I think that's the first skate steer he's ever ran.
Think so?
I think so. Get familiar with your controls. No littering. What the heck is wrong with this guy? He comes out to my site. He comes out to my site and he starts littering.
Run that over, man.
Crush it up, nailer. All right, put your bucket down and travel. When you're traveling, you always want to carry your bucket low. I just want you to get familiar with the controls. So bring them down. Yep, tilt your bucket back, bring your arms down. There you go, keep going. All right, open the door. See that pile of snow over there?
Yeah.
I want you to take a big bucket full of that snow and I want you to put it on the top of that pile.
Oh, man.
There you go. Yeah. won't hurt it, Naylor. That's his first scoop ever. That's your first scoop ever in a skid loader, isn't it?
I've only used dingos before, so it's a little bit bigger than a dingo.
Yeah? You gonna nail him with a snowball? Do it. Do it. Nail him. Nail him. Nail him. Give him something. Nothing like distractions, right? Think he'll tip it back on himself? It's looking promising. It's looking promising. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Oh, that's all right. How many people have done that? We've had come in. It happens. We're only laughing because we like to give them crap. There you go, first scoop of snow. Hey Naylor, do one more.
What's that?
Do one more.
Perfect snowman.
You just want to hit him more.
Someone get
Oh, he's got a good bucket that time. Pitch your bucket forward so you don't cover yourself. Pitch your bucket forward so you don't cover yourself. If that was rocks,
Was it falling back on me?
well, if it was rocks and you had an open cab, you could crush your legs. Okay? I'm letting you do it now because it's snow and you got a door. You're not going to hurt yourself.
But still.
It's going to be funny to watch you cover yourself in snow. But realistically, if I was really training you, I'd be very cautious about how you have this bucket tipped right now because you could really hurt yourself this way. Oh, that's the perfect thumbnail right there. That's a phenomenal thumbnail. You got the sky above them. So that actually make a good picture too. All right, lawn care rookie. What time you got to catch your plane?
Now.
All right. Hop out. Tim will park it.
Parking brake on?
Big red button in the middle. Yep, yep. Well, what do you think? You got to run a skid loader.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah.
I don't think I was that bad my first
Tim was saying
time
you're
on.
better than some of the people who've had working for us for a couple months already.
Really?
Yeah.